As the winter students, winter rainfall. As the sun shines over the southern hemisphere during October to March, it is summer there. Because of the summer temperature in the southern hemisphere, the pressure decreases. A low pressure is created thus in the southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere low pressure created ஆயிடும். At the same time, there is winter in the northern hemisphere. In India, the rays of the sun fall at a greater angle in the extra-peninsular India than in the peninsular India. Extra-peninsular India விட the peninsular Indiaவில் sunfall வந்து greater-ஆக இருக்கும். Hence, the temperature there is very low. As a consequence, the pressure increases. A high pressure area develops thus in the northwest of India, where the low pressure has been in the previous season. Again, in October in order to equalize the pressure differences, the winds begin to blow from the northern hemisphere towards the southern hemisphere. The wind வந்து northern hemisphere இருந்து இப்படி southern hemisphere நோக்கி blow ஆகும். Thus, the winds that blow from the north get deflected and come from the northeast. These winds are known in India as the northeast monsoon or retreating monsoon. Because the northeast monsoon winds originate at the high pressure on the land, they are dry and hence they do not give rainfall to the extra-peninsular India, that is northern India. But as the winds recur and blow over the Bay of Bengal, they are hot enough to absorb the moisture. Thus, moisture India laden winds then blow over the eastern coastal of the peninsular India. They also get blocked by the eastern hills, and thus the northeast monsoon winds give rainfall to the coastal areas. These hills are not high like the Himalayas and nor are they continuous. It is because of this the northeast monsoon does not give rainfall like the southwest monsoon winds. In India map, this area the land area, the retreating monsoon raised this way. So after next this way. Okay, in the retreating monsoon rainfall gives in the southern hemisphere only. Okay va. The northeast monsoon gives rainfall only to the east coast area of the peninsular India.